Welcome to your step 3 of your under eye care and your smile line reduction skin care routine. Vitamin C infused Juvenile, a powerhouse ingredient for fighting aging, wrinkles or dark circles, and of course all of our favorite, the niacinamide. This easy peasy serum comes with a roller, so you roll it under the eye in a circular manner like this to transfer or apply the product on both sides. Let's also use this in an upward motion on our nasolabial line. Now comes the fun part, your face yoga for dark circle, fine line reduction and smile line reduction. Take your index finger and your thumb, elbows in the air as always, and start to mildly pinch your nasolabial 3 times. Repeat the same, supporting your eye under the eye. Three times each side. The serum has been formulated in such a way that it does not dry quickly and stays on your skin so that you could do this follow along face yoga. Let's do the line flicker to soften our nasolabial line. Take your index finger, place it on your nasolabial and flicker out with me 3 times. Brilliant, doing well. Now we will repeat what the roller did, only this time with our fingers. Place your thumbs on your jaw so that you get a firm grip and give your under eye a circular massage, lifting it up and then draining it with me. Follow along for a count of 3. Thumbs on the side of your jaw, index finger and middle finger on the under eye and massage. The last time we take it from the side of our face down our neck and drain as always. I hope you enjoyed this. Happy pampering.